Miss Kai.
Hi, hello! Welcome to Sonia's. Welcome to us.
Ayan, nandito na tayo.
Hi, vloggers.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi there,
And
how
that's
are you?
Darren. From UK.
Yeah, we're going to eat some flowers.
Oh, yes. Eat your rainbow.
Eat your rainbow, yes.
See? Inday. Say hi. We're here na. That's Sonia's Secret Garden. Oh, diba?
Hi guys, welcome to Sonia's Secret Garden. Right now, we're standing here. This is the arch. This is what you call arch to Sonia's Secret Garden. Bakit secret? Titingnan natin kung anong sekreto nila. Let's go! As of right now, so may magsasalita dito dahil what's her purpose of having this acupuncture?
The truth is I don't know. I just want to hold this mic. I want to feel to be how it is to be a vlogger. So this is a dream come true, this one here. So as for the acupuncture,
Pakonsulta ka ba? Pakonsulta?
papakonsulta po ako ng acupuncture. Titingnan ko if it will solve my the train in my ear. Tingnan ko kung makakatulong dito at saka sa mga maraming bagay na nananakit sa mga buto-buto ng mga taong matanda na po. Yun lang po. Salamat sa vlog ni Mel and Shireen. And thank you for bringing us here. I'm so happy. Thank you for this Team No Stress, guys. Ang dami ko na pong sinabi, walang katuturan. Maraming salamat po, guys. Patuloy niyo pong support and don't forget, click and subscribe. I wish to say that all the time. This is a dream come true. I said, baliw, nakakahiya.
Yeah, this is nice.
Matutuwa ka dito sa camera natin.
Ang dami kong entry.
Diba?
Let's join the vlog.
Yes. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to this channel.
Welcome to this channel. Things that we'd like to say all the time.
Grabe yung hangin. Pakita ko sa inyo yung nakikita namin.
Look at the breeze.
Aha.
ASMR ba yun?
Dito lang daw, makikita nyo dyan, kung gusto nyo mag-picture or what, gusto nyo matulog, if you wanna sleep, you can sleep there.
Ang hangin. Oo. Bakit ang haba nung leeg nung kabayo?
Bakit bakit?
Ano yan? That's not kabayo. That's kalabaw.
Ang payat nung kalaba, manorish na.
Morning glory.
So dito tayo sa Morning Glory.
Yan.
Yan.
Parang restaurant.
Okay. Oh wow, may paano dito. Oh. Alright. Can you hold this? Thank you.
Smells like rose.
Oh, it's so nice. So,
Dito tayo.
let's go. Oo. Grabe, Tita Sonia, para kami papuntang heaven. medyo terno ko dun sa ano nila. No? Pwede na ako magtatrabaho dito. Oo, medyo ano ako dito. Doon na lang ako. Doon na lang kayo ni Miss Kai.
Mag-wipe ka daw ng kamay.
Mag-wipe daw tayo ng kamay. Huwag daw tayong masyadong ano. So, mag-wipe tayo. So, Darren, you're with me. You're beside me. So, mapapalaban tayo English, guys.
You have to speak English.
Ayan, I need to
Darren
speak-
will speak Bisaya.
Oo, Darren will gonna speak Tagalog.
Yeah, I only know a little.
You say
and it's
unsa. You say unsa.
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 Yung ano.
Okay?
Buwanka.
Yes, he said, thank you. Oo,
I
thank
know you
you.
don't put me
Yeah.
on YouTube. Value.
Bakit?
I could not.
Oh,
I could not.
oh, diba? Tingnan niyo yung background ng dalawa.
I'm sorry. Oy. Hi.
Ulit. Oh, demure.
Yeah, I should be. I'm,
Didn't see that.
si Kuya Jeff, parang si Kuya Jeff.
Shy. Oh. Shy ako eh. Nandito pala si Coco Martin.
Choco.
Choco Martin.
Choco Martin. Pandi Coco.
Oo, pandi
Coco
Coco.
Martin.
Oo, tapos nandito daw si Ant-Man.
Paul Rudd.
Alright.
Cheers, mate.
Diba? So, antayin natin si Tita Sonia kasi tinawagan natin. Kaya tayo, ito lang daw po yung kakainin natin. Tapos, ang
Hey
daming
Darren, you're gonna die?
That's about it. That's about it.
It's a small portion of something.
alright. Ayan.
What is this?
Ayun yun.
Pumpkin soup. Pumpkin soup.
Alright.
Hey.
garlic bread.
This is the what?
Mushroom pate, bruschetta tomato, white cheese, and anchovy po. Tapos yung bread po natin, meron tayong garlic bread and plain po yung nasa ilalim.
Garlic bread.
Minute?
Yeah, yes, please.
Okay, Biskay, kita ka ha. Ayan, okay.
Kalahati lang Thank you for letting me know. So, I'm gonna be eating like this.
Very demure.
Authentic ng
Yes, please.
And then the three of us.
Would one like some soup?
Kalabasa.
Ice with edible flowers. O, diba?
ice with edible flour.
Let's see.
So this is edible flowers.
You have to eat your
Yeah,
rainbow.
eat your rainbows. Ayan. Okay.
Just for you. Wrong eating it.
You want some dressing first?
Okay. Sabi, magiging healthy ka dito. Okay. Magsaserve din kayo ng meat.
Meron po tayong grilled chicken kasama po ng pasta po.
Ah, okay. Sige.
Not the double beef.
Ah.
Just like that.
So, may meat din, di ba?
Sure.
Ayan.
Oh, it's good with the...
Ang dami ng mga side dish. Oo.
Yeah.
Diba?
Ayan.
Okay.
This is the mango banana. Or cashew puti. Let me try. Feta. Not feta. Not feta. Flowers.
This is the
No, this is
Sonia
anchovy.
secret sauce.
Good answer this. With butter. I should have butter.
So, let's eat. So, this is it.
There's the violet one.
Sobrang fresh niya. Yan.
That one cheese.
Furthermore, snap on the fridge.
There you go. Ang sarap. Yan yung ginawa ko. May healthy pizza. Maubos ko to, kayo mag-alala.
She was probably about 50 something.
Oh my God! Bulalo! Three bulalo! Yes!
Try na natin yung bulalo. Silangga kumakain ng pasta. Ako bulalo.
Sili. Wala. Meron yan.
So, the bulalo.
Look at that. Okay. So, isang bite lang talaga.
Yeah.
Oh, pwede na ikaw dyan. Isubo mo na daw. Try it. Come on.
We can eat the flour.
What's the name of your sauce, Serge? Does it have a name?
Good.
Mine is mother,
Good.
oh. Good. Sarap. Moist.
Okay.
Moist.
Try.
Banana rolls mo.
Also, it's really banana.
Banana rolls. Tama mo.
You're right. Banana.
Sweet potato po.
Oh, I
Ay,
like
gusto
it.
ko to.
Pag kumain
Ayan.
nyo, samahan nyo po siya ng mint leaves.
Mint
Okay. Mas masarap daw if may mint. Ayan. So, try natin.
Pwede nga pala yung bulaklak mo dyan. Kainin diretso eh.
Refreshing.
Mamulit din yun.
Ito daw yung proposal garden. Oh, di ba? So, kung gusto niya mag-propose dyan, pwede din daw yung divorce. Charot. Ayan.
I can buy myself flowers. Write my name in the sand.
So, yan. Dito tayo naman sa mga souvenir shop. Yan. So, madami silang mga kung ano-ano. Hibiscus, gugo, mga shampoo, conditioner. Kaya, syempre, model natin si Tita Sonia, no? Pero, madami pa tayo dito. Meron pa. Melon. So, maganda yan. So, rose water. I think iba-iba. So, yeah. Ang daming something na pwede nyong makita. Tapos ito, scary siya, promise. I don't like yung yung tunog niya. Kakaparanoid lang siya. Ayan. So, ito pa. So, ayan. Ayan.
Bilan mo ako ng Google, papakapal daw ng balahibo. Balahibo!
Ako na bilan kita. Ayan. So, Google for hair loss.
Pero sabi ng flower.
Sabi ng flower, very demure.
Oh, very demure. Gusto mo yun?
Very demure.
Diba?
Very demure, sabi ni Darren.
Oh, diba? Very
Darren said
demure.
it's not very demure, it's very demure.
Diba? So, ang dami pang mga something. Alright? So, guys, may binigay sa atin si Tita Sonia. Langga, come here. Ano masasabi mo? Rosalinda? Ano mo lang?
Marimar!
Marimar.
Tita Sonia, thank you so much. So I'm gonna choose one of these for our souvenir from you. Thank you. So I don't know if...
Feeling ko magiging Tita Sonia din ako. Kasi may
I like
siya sa
this.
shawl, di ba?
Yeah, it's good for winter. When we go to Japan, we can use this.
Oh, yes.
So Mel said, hi Tita Sonia, since Mel said that she wants it like to represent her personality. So this Mel is black and white all the time.
I'm great.
And gray. So lagi siyang gray black tsaka So yes. Okay, so ito.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Si Tita Sonia every time you were Tita Sonia.
Later makita mo si Jessica. Alright.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much here at Sonia's Secret Garden.
Linda at si Marimar. Diba? Yung shawl, yung shawl. Yeah. Ready for Japan na yan. Oo.
Japan, here we go. This is what you call the parijata or the parijat. It's an Indian flower po. An Indian flower. It smells like a jasmine.
Drinking. Hello. Okay. Let's center. Langga. So,
This is the lavender
yeah, cottage. So nice.
You have to visit the
Ganda.
the bathroom.
Are these all antique?
Meron pa doon sa taas. Talagang di mo nalimutan yung mo. Oh, yun. Nawala yung flower mo. Oh, di ba? Yung salamin ng pag sinauna ba? See? Oh, hi. And then on the other side naman, oh, see? Para kita mo lahat. Galing.
Hey, have some afternoon tea.
Afternoon tea, okay, my lady.
Afternoon tea. Okay.
More tea?
Better served than a British man. I like this on the trellis.
Ay, hello po. Ayan.
Alright, so this is the dirty kitchen po.
Dirty to. Dirty to ha. Guys, it's dirty kitchen.
Alright, tapos dito po yung kanyang living room. And then, ito naman po dining po.
See? Floral. May flowers po rin. No.
Yung mga collections po ni Ma'am Sonia, bone china.
Bone china?
Hey! Oh, wow! Ala! Yes.
I want you to see my room.
Let's go. So pretty. Wow. Wow. So this is Tita Sonia's room. Oh wow. So elegant. Sobrang cute! Oh my gosh! It's her bed!
This is where I take my acupuncture here.
Here, oh.
My nap. And my toilet is just open.
Her toilet is just open here.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, guys, look. Ito yung toilet niya. Guys,
It's an open toilet. So have her afternoon tea.
where you can poop and everything.
I like the nook here.
And then you can take a shower just like, oh my god, cute. Oh my garden pa rin siya sa loob ng, ano niya.
Garden.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Minto.
I also don't eat pork.
Diba? Like her, she doesn't eat pork. Oh. Ako, I love pork. I eat.
But Darren doesn't eat pork.
And then I'll show you the rooms upstairs.
Alright, to see? Nakapakasyala. I like the outfit together with her puppy. Napaka pretty. I like your outfit, tita.
Sunflowers.
Oo, di ba? So, yan. Kami, tita. Yung buko ko lagi niya inano kasi naka-fly away.
I'm eating mint.
You eat
So
mint.
this is where I take my tea.
So good.
And then
Parang
the
bubblegum.
So, ang dami. Ang sarap. It clenches yung
Ipapatikim nga.
para pagkakain mo pag nag-kissing kayo mabango yun. This is Misty. I want you to see the rooms upstairs.
Uupo ka, tapos gusto mo magmuni-muni. Diyan ka may karapatang
Need a book.
That's why I don't have
Diba?
a TV set. I'm sorry, but
This is my
I
nook.
don't have also a microwave.
Diba? Gusto mo lang magmuni-muni.
Ano ni brass? Made of brass.
Oo nga eh. Ito lang pala yung tamang taas ng kama dapat.
Oh, para hindi masyado.
Diba?
Oh, si Tita Sonia.
Yes. Ganyan dapat yung ceiling, Day. Aha. Grabe. Tas, pwede naman palang ganito yung hagdan. Videoan mo daw ako, ga. Tamo, yung hagdan.
So cute hagdan. Kasha ka ba?
Saan naman ako? Tatagilid mo.
How do you do that? Do it.
Do that after a beer.
No, do it like
This painting
Fun.
po is actually of last
Hindi ako mag-fit. Oh my gosh. See? Ang cute! Diba? Cute! Ito yung atake lang. Ito yung tinatawag na relax. Diba? Higa ka lang. So may bintana, tapos namumuni-muni. Pero dahil di ka naman heartbroken, masaya ka. Pero pag heartbroken ka, iiyak ka.
and because you're not heartbroken, you're happy.
So, depende sa mood mo kung anong gusto mo makita dito sa
Our
bintana.
friend
You
vlogger.
have to see my manjong.
Saya.
Titanic.
I like this mint green.
Pag naupo ka, hindi ka tatayo.
I will not stand up.
Pag naupo ka, hindi ka tatayo.
No, I like that. Kutin yung small cabinet.
Ay, Sherin!
I like the dresser.
Pang kay Sherin to! Oo! Sobrang liit, as in. Hinday. Para sa'yo! See? It's for you!
Perfect.
Pagka siya daw sa bag mo, sa'yo na.
Pwede rin.
Oh, pagka siya daw dyan sa bag mo. Oh. Okay.
So hot right now.
And we use mga linen from Vietnam. And then
I need a shower.
kung
Hindi ka pa malayo?
you can watch your partner taking a shower. Or you can grab a book.
Oh, with my sexy body, tita, yes. With my sexy body, pwede ako panoorin.
So let's see what...
Ganda. Pag naligo ka nga lang, kita ka dito. From the outside. Oh yeah, kita ka. Pero gusto ko pa rin yung siya ni Tita Sonia. Yung open lang. Gusto ko yung mga ganung peg eh. Yung pag nagja-jabs ako, yung open lang. No. Step dito. Yung kaya nang kinuha na ni Sharin. Diba? Oh.
Oh, dito yung mahjong.
After playing mahjong, they can sleep here.
Like, fly.
Akala ko langaw, but it's not.
That's the spa. Yes, garden spa. Butterfly.
This is the spa area. We have one also downstairs. We have
Paella.
Dito po, Ma'am Saris.
tapos amuyin mo.
Ano daw
No,
to?
this is stress reliever. I like, di ba di ba?
Parang ano, di ba? If you have natin. If you have cold, you just and if you have pains here.
If you have pains and if you don't,
Ano yung amoy ng... Yan.
the plain, I go for laugh.
Lalagay ko to sa tiyan ko. Bango siya. Pressure pa. Ayan na.
They're all artists.
Ayan. Anyon niya. Anyon niya sa'yo. Anyon niya.
Si Miss Kay mo na.
Ano na sa'yo?
Anong sa'yo? Anong pakiki sa'yo?
Hi, guys. Yes, a patient. I was a pain with the gallstone.
Next time I treat it because this one lie down and act something.
Yes, this one
Okay?
is